Are you struggling whether to buy a Bambu Lab printer? I know I did. I was concerned about the price, the reviews, and the warranty issues at the time. Then I saw this. So the price was a hurdle because one of those is basically 2 times the price of a single bed slinger. My buddy's TPU badge came out so amazing on his Bambu Lab that I had to test it on my bed slingers. And of course my tuned printers couldn't touch the quality that he had achieved on his Bambu Lab printer. So I waited on a special like Black Friday and I dropped the cash for a P1S with an AMS, and I wondered if I just made a huge mistake. In the first month I made 47 prints. I had 2 failures, and both of them were due to operator error. And then the first printer started making me actual money. Someone needed 10 parts urgent, so the old me would have panicked because I didn't trust my printers, but the new me put the files into the printer and let it print while I sat out by the pool reading a book. 6 hours later, I had 10 perfect parts, and I had payment in my pocket that took a little bite out of my investment. More jobs came with bigger contracts for multiple parts, where the printer was running straight for a week and a half. That paid for the first printer and allowed me to buy the second printer. Not because I'm greedy, but because I couldn't risk missing a deadline if something broke. Of course, then it happened. A part broke. Here come those 1-star reviews, right? Wrong. Free replacement in 1 week. Zero hassle. The broken part was in the AMS feeder, so I could still print with it while waiting for the part. So it's decision time. Buy a printer that prints. Don't buy a printer that you have to be tweaking. I wasted too much time over the years tweaking and twiddling to get those printers to print well, whereas this just prints really well out of the box. If you decide to go ahead and buy one, you may end up deciding that you want to print a large mask. And if you do, this is the best method to scale the helmet to size to fit your head. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions or concerns, please place them in the comments below.